Good morning, children. How are you all? All are good? So, children, let's start this session with a prayer. Okay? So, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Let's start, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasme Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good. So, children, let's start with your literacy subject. This is your first literacy session after your cycle 3 assessment, right? Till your last lecture before the assessment, we have learned till alphabet W. So now we will learn the next alphabet that comes after W. What comes after W? X. Right? So let's start practicing uppercase and lowercase letter X, and even we will practice reading the word starting with letter X. Okay? So children, first of all, for practicing uppercase, that is capital X, you have to start from the left side. पता है ना आपको uppercase कैसे लिखना है? You have to draw one slanting line towards right, and then again यही से start करते हुए you have to draw one slanting line towards left. Okay, this is your uppercase alphabet, capital alphabet X. Okay, slanting line towards right, slanting line towards left, दोनों lines cross रहने चाहिए. Okay, then lower case भी same होता है, slanting line towards right, slanting line towards left. Okay, but you have to follow the blue line and the red line. Okay, red line and blue line. ये अपर केस एंड लोअर केस में आपको प्रॉपर लाइन से टच करते हुए लिखना है. ओके, फॉर लोअर केस यू हैव टू जस्ट फॉलो द ब्लू लाइन. ओके, I will show you how to practice in the red and blue lines in your numeracy skill sheet book. I hope you all understood how you have to practice uppercase alphabet X and lowercase letter X. Okay. So children, this is your literacy skill sheet book. In this book, we are going to practice uppercase and lowercase letter X. Okay. So open to your page number 126. 126. Okay. Letter X. Trace the letter with pencil and say it aloud. X. Uppercase alphabet X. Lowercase letter X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Okay. Trace and write. See. आप सबको पता है ना, फर्स्ट लाइन हम अपर केस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, देन सेकेंड लाइन हम लोअर केस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. इन द सेम वे वी हैव प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम अल्फाबेट ए टू डब्ल्यू, राइट, इन दिस बुक. सो फॉर अपर केस अल्फाबेट एक्स you have to start from the red line to the bottom blue line. Okay, see, slanting line towards right, then again from the red line to bottom blue line cross होना चाहिए, slanting line towards left. Okay, over here I'll show you from the red line, slanting line towards right, then again from the red line, slanting line towards left. Okay, इसी तरीके से फ्रॉम रेड लाइन टू बॉटम ब्लू लाइन. ओके, रेड लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, बॉटम ब्लू लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. इन दिस वे यू विल प्रैक्टिस अपर केस, दैट इज कैपिटल लेटर X. Okay, then lowercase, that is small letter x. You don't have to touch both the red lines. You have to only write in the blue lines. You have to touch only the two blue lines. From the first blue line to the second blue line. That's it. Slanting lines. Okay? In this way. Slanting line towards right, slanting line towards left. Okay? In this way you will practice lowercase, that is small letter x. Understood, children? Now, paste the stickers of things starting with letter X. From where you will get the stickers? From the back side of the book. X-ray, X for X-ray, X for Xenops. Okay, this is a bird. And X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. When we decorate the Xmas tree during the Christmas time. Yes, Xmas tree. Okay. So, now after practicing the letters, start pasting the stickers over here. Okay. So children, you all can see that I have pasted the stickers. X-ray, X for X-ray, X for Xenops. Okay. And X for Xmas tree. Now children, in your cycle 3, while checking your books, I have noted that many students are not pasting the stickers. If you don't paste the stickers, I will consider that this page is incomplete. Okay, so you have to paste the stickers from the back side of the book. So this is your page number 126. X for xylophone, X for X-ray, X for Xenops, X for Xmas tree. Okay. Then after this, come to your next page. Page number 127. What are we going to do here? We are going to read the words loudly. Okay. We are going to read the words starting with letter X. Okay. So let's start. X for Xenops, bird. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. Okay. In this way you will read the words on page number 127. After this, turn to your next page. Page number 128. I hope you all know what you are going to do here. In the blue boxes, you will write uppercase, that is capital letter X, and in pink boxes, you will write lowercase, that is small letter x. Write the first letter of the following in capital in blue boxes and in small in pink boxes. Right? So start writing, children, then we will read the words given on this page. So children, you all can see that I have written uppercase capital letter X in blue boxes and small letter, that is lowercase letter, in pink boxes. So let's read the words, children, starting with letter X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for Xenops. X for Xepias. X for Xerox. And X for Xmas tree. Okay, in this way you are going to complete this page number 128. After this, come to the next page. This is your page number 129. Draw lines connecting the letter X, uppercase X or lowercase x, to help the sheep reach the grass. You can see at the top there is a sheep, and over here you can see the grass. The sheep is feeling very hungry. उसे भूख लग रही है. He wants to eat the grass. So you have to help him to find a way. आपको इसे रास्ता दिखाना है ये अल्फाबेट्स के बीच में. अपर केस एक्स एंड लोअर केस एक्स दोनों को ज्वाइन करके, लाइंस के थ्रू ज्वाइन करके आपको उसे रास्ता दिखाना है, so that the sheep can reach for eating the grass. Okay? पता है ना आपको कैसे ड्रॉ करना है लाइंस पजल की तरह. यस, सी चिल्ड्रन, मैंने यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ किया है. फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव टू स्टार्ट. ओके, यहां से आपको स्टार्ट करना है, लाइन्स ड्रॉ करना है इस तरीके से, एंड देन यू हैव टू हेल्प द शीप टू फाइंड द वे फॉर रीचिंग टू द ग्रास. Okay, in this way you will complete page number 129. Understood? So these are the pages for practicing uppercase and lowercase letter X. Okay, children? Now take out your literacy skill sheet book and start practicing uppercase and lowercase letter X. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.